Hey Moms on the Go, is you go to Google Chrome and then you search for a topic. So I'm going to do how to plant spaghetti squash. And then what you do now is at the top here, right under the search bar, you click on images. So then you get a bunch of images images of spaghetti squash being planted. But at the bottom right corner, you'll see this little box. It's a rectangle box and it says collections. So you press collections and then it's going to take you to your last added items. Here are all of your pages that you saved. So if I wanted to recall one of those, like recipes, for instance, there it is. So that's easy steps, visual on how to retrieve anything that you've saved on your phone and you created pages for it, these little files, and maybe you don't know how to go back and get it. That's how you do it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting our page again. So today what we're going to do is we are going to learn how to find a page that you had saved. I know I've saved many pages on my phone and I don't know how to go back and get it, or I didn't know how to go back and get it. So some of you may have the problem as well.